Everyday carry gear has become an essential part of staying prepared, whether for daily tasks or unexpected challenges. From innovative tools to compact gadgets, EDC gear combines practicality and style to make your life easier and more efficient. But with so many options out there, finding the perfect items can be overwhelming. That's why we've handpicked the 10 incredible EDC gear that everyone will appreciate in 2025. These gadgets are designed to enhance your readiness while adding a touch of convenience to your daily routine. Let's dive in and explore these must-have tools for the year ahead. Redefine minimalism with the Trayvax Armored Summit Wallet, a perfect balance of style, functionality, and security. Built with a heat-resistant steel plate and a durable melanite finish, this wallet offers superior wear resistance and fits seamlessly in your front pocket, keeping your essentials safe and accessible during every adventure. Designed to hold 1 to 8 cards, the wallet also features an integrated money clip for storing 1 to 5 bills or receipts. Its RFID-blocking steel plate protects your cards from electronic theft, giving you peace of mind in today's digital age. Plus, the built-in bottle opener and attachment point add versatility to this sleek everyday carry item. Proudly made in the USA and backed by a 65-year heirloom warranty, the Trayvax Armored Summit Wallet is built to endure. Whether you're traveling or tackling daily tasks, this rugged wallet is your reliable companion. Simplify your charging needs with the Statik Hex Charge, the only cable you'll ever need. Featuring universal compatibility, it seamlessly connects USB to USB-C, USB 2 Lightning, USB-C to USB-C, and USB-C to Lightning, ensuring every device stays powered, no matter the port. Experience the power of 60W fast charging and transfer files at lightning speed with up to 480 megabits per second data rates. Perfect for quick charges or syncing 1 GB files in just 20 seconds. For the best performance, pair with a USB-C fast charger. Designed with rugged zinc alloy and nylon, this cable withstands heavy use while maintaining a sleek look. A silicone protective cap and magnetic ends keep it secure and tangle-free, whether on a keyring, backpack, or purse. With a reversible USB-C connector, fumbling with orientation is a thing of the past. Durable, portable, and versatile, the Statik Hex Charge is your go-to companion for reliable connectivity. Elevate your everyday carry with the Gerber Prybrid X, a compact and efficient tool that's ready to tackle a variety of tasks. Designed with a lightweight black aluminum body and a durable green paracord lanyard, this pocket tool is the perfect balance of portability and utility. The Prybrid X is powered by number 11 X-Acto blades, keeping the tool sleek yet powerful for precise cutting jobs. Beyond its blade, this multifunctional tool includes a pry tool with a nail puller and a bottle opener, making it ideal for handling unexpected tasks in your daily adventures. With a length of 4.00 inches and weighing just 1.70 ounces, the Prybrid X is engineered for easy carry without bulk. Its sturdy build and thoughtful design make it a must-have for your gear. Whether you're on the job, in the wild, or at home, the Gerber Prybrid X has your back. Introducing the Farmer X Alox Damas Limited Edition 2024, a true work of art for collectors and knife enthusiasts alike. This Swiss-made pocket knife features dark brown Alox scales, crafted exclusively for 2024, giving it a unique and timeless appearance. With only 7,000 pieces available worldwide, each knife is sequentially numbered to emphasize its rarity and value. The blade, constructed from Damas steel, is a symbol of craftsmanship and durability. Its Hackapella pattern is composed of 115 layers, offering an exceptional blend of sharpness and strength with a hardness grade of 60 Herc. Whether you're using the Ken opener, wood saw, reamer, or bottle opener, every tool is designed for precision. With a weight of 3.8 ounces, length of 3.7 inch, and height of 0.7 inch, this compact yet powerful tool is built to last and perform. A true collector's item, the Farmer X Alox Damast elevates any collection with its superb functionality and exclusive design. Unleash precision and practicality with the Kizer Riverbank folding pocket knife, crafted for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday adventurers. Featuring a drop-point blade made from Nitro V steel, this knife delivers exceptional corrosion resistance, toughness, and edge retention ideal for tasks ranging from camping to daily chores. The ergonomic micarta handle offers a fabric-like texture for a secure, comfortable grip, ensuring smooth handling even during extended use. Designed with a buttery smooth flipper opener and reliable liner lock, it provides safe, effortless operation while offering satisfying fidget action for knife enthusiasts. Perfectly balanced with a 2.99-inch blade and a lightweight build of 2.24 ounces, the Riverbank is easy to carry. Its reversible pocket clip and lanyard hole provide versatile carrying options for righty or left-handed users. Whether it's slicing through camping tasks, opening boxes, or tackling daily adventures, this knife makes an excellent gift for anyone passionate about quality tools. Elevate your writing game with the Zebra Pen G750, designed for precision, comfort, and style. Featuring a 0.7mm medium point, its rapid drying RDI technology ensures lightning-fast drying, making smudges and smears a thing of the past. Perfect for left-handed writers and note-takers on the go. The premium black brass barrel is both weighted and balanced, offering an ergonomic knurled grip that provides unmatched comfort and control. This thoughtful design lets you glide effortlessly across the page, making every stroke smooth and expressive. A built-in clip adds convenience, allowing you to secure it to pockets, notebooks, or briefcases for easy access. Refillable with Zebra's JK Refill in black, the G750 is a reliable companion for boardrooms, classrooms, and beyond. Combining functionality and sophistication, this pen is an ideal choice for anyone who values quality and durability in their writing instruments. Tackle the wild with confidence using the LifeStraw Peak series, your ultimate companion for clean and safe hydration. This ultra-light, durable water filter protects against 99.99% of bacteria like E. coli, 99.99% of parasites such as Giardia, and even filters out microplastics, silt, and sand, ensuring crystal clear drinking water in any environment. Designed for versatility, this filter can attach to water bottles or standard gravity hoses, making it perfect for backpacking, emergencies, or travel. Its enhanced microfilter performance resists clogging, while premium, leak-proof materials guarantee extreme durability. With an unlimited shelf life, it's ready whenever adventure calls, whether stored in a go bag or packed for a hike. Capable of filtering up to 1,000 gallons, the LifeStraw Peak series delivers clean water for one person for over 5 years. Dependable, portable, and built to last. Stay hydrated, stay prepared. Experience the legendary performance of the Zippo brass pocket lighter, a perfect blend of classic design and dependable functionality. With its iconic wind-proof construction, this lighter delivers a reliable flame, no matter where your adventures take you. The unmistakable Zippo click adds a timeless charm, making it an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts and collectors alike. Crafted entirely from durable metal, this lighter is refillable for a lifetime of use. To ensure peak performance, pair it with Zippo's premium lighter fluid, flints, and wicks. Its elegant brass finish adds sophistication, whether carried in your pocket or displayed in your collection. Proudly made in the USA and backed by a lifetime guarantee, the Zippo brass pocket lighter is built to last. The night with the Lumintop Frog 2.0, the ultimate micro keychain flashlight delivering an impressive 600 lumens of brightness. Compact yet powerful, its intuitive user interface lets you toggle between low, medium, high, moonlight, and turbo modes with ease using the side switch. Engineered from aircraft-grade aluminum, it boasts a tough, anti-scratch finish, 1.5-meter impact resistance, and IPX8 waterproofing. Ready to withstand extreme conditions or submersion up to 6.56 feet. Weighing just 0.51 ounces, this ultralight keychain torch is your perfect everyday carry. With memory functionality, it recalls your last brightness setting for seamless operation. Enhanced with USB-C charging, it powers up faster than ever, and a lockout mode prevents accidental activation during travel or storage. For extended use, add the optional 10,440 extension tube, offering up to 36 hours in moonlight mode. Backed by a 2-year warranty and responsive customer service, the Lumintop Frog 2.0 is the dependable flashlight you can always count on. Backed by a 2-year warranty and responsive customer service, the Lumintop Frog 2.0 is the dependable flashlight you can always count on. Streamline your everyday carry with the Topstache leather multi-tool sheath, the ultimate belt organizer for EDC enthusiasts. Crafted from 100% crazy horse leather, this premium sheath combines durability with timeless style. With a pre-shaped design and fine stitching, it offers quick access to your tools while keeping them secure. No more cluttered pockets or misplaced gear. Designed for versatility, this multi-tool sheath accommodates essentials like Leatherman tools, flashlights, tactical pens, car keys, and even extension kits. Measuring 6.2 by 5.8 by 1 inches, it fits belts up to 1.8 inches wide and features an extra belt loop for stability. The added elastic band and logo band allow for customization, making room for knives and larger tools. Whether you're tackling daily tasks or outdoor adventures, this sheath keeps your gear within easy reach. A practical and stylish gift for the organized adventurer, it's more than a tool, it's an upgrade to your everyday.